Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to be making chocolate horchata. This has been requested since I put out my strawberry horchata recipe. By the way, check the description below for that link, but today I'm making a creamy, delicious chocolate drink. To start, I'm going to add 1 cup of pre-rinsed rice. I rinsed it in cold water only once and drained it well. Now I'm going to add 3 cups of water into the bowl with the rice. And I'm also going to break up 1 cinnamon stick right into the water. And I am going to let this soak on my countertop. I'm going to cover it overnight. Now you want to at least do this for 6 hours overnight for best results. Now that my rice is pre-soaked, I'm going to add the entire bowl, liquid and all, into my blender. And a good indication that the rice is ready is when it can break just like this. So if you can break it with your fingernail, the blender can definitely break it down. So now I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder. This is unsweetened cocoa powder. And now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I'm specifically using Mexican vanilla extract, but use what you have. Now I'm just going to blend this until it is smooth and creamy. And you want to make sure that you blend it on high until you can see that the cinnamon stick has broken down along with the rice. So now I'm going to strain this into my pitcher. The amount that you'll be able to get from this recipe is right at 2 quarts. So now I'm adding 1 full can of evaporated milk. That's a 12-ounce can of evaporated milk. You could also use whole milk. And 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Now I'm just going to give this a good mix. And I kind of did this backwards. So I'm adding 1 pound of ice right into the pitcher. And I'm also going to be adding 2 cups of cold water. You can add the water first, then the ice. Okay, so now I'm just going to give it a mix, and this is done. It is as simple as that, and it is so delicious. So I'm going to serve a glass, have a drink, and leave it to you guys to make your very own chocolate horchata. So I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.